In today's video, we are going to learn about centrioles, and the subtopic that we are going to cover is the introduction of centriole, the explanation for it, what are the functions that is being performed by centriole, and then there is a quiz for you guys in the end. So, centriole. Centriole is basically an organelle that is present in both plant cell, in animal cell, in some microorganisms, right? So, animal cells, cells of microorganisms, and lower plants, they contain a centriole. Here, this is the structural representation of a centriole. It looks like that, right? Under a microscope. If we see that in the animal cell, the centriole is located right here next to the exterior surface of the nucleus, right? However, in cross section, as you can see in this picture, in cross section, each of the 9 microtubules the centriole consists of, right? The centriole consists of 9 microtubules, right? Then two centrioles are usually placed at right angle to each other, and just before a cell divide, its centriole duplicate, and then the pair, like, see, it duplicate, and then it migrate towards the opposite side of the nucleus, and this spindle, this spindle, the spindle forms between them, right? So this is how the centriole looks like in the animal cell, and how during a cell division it's look like, right? Then here, if you see here, the micro tubules are more visible. Like if you see that each centriole consists of a cylindrical array, like you can see here, cylindrical array of 9 microtubules. See, 9 microtubules that are placed at right angle to each other. It's a microtubule triplet. like एक जो triplet होता है उसमें 3 होते हैं, 3 into 3 9. So it's a microtubule triplet basically. देन हमारे पास कुछ फंक्शंस हैं जो कि सेंट्रियोल परफॉर्म्ड करता है. सबसे जो मेन फंक्शन है सेंट्रियोल का, दैट इज़ इन दी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ठीक है, इन्होंने सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अपना रोल प्ले करना होता है. इन्होंने माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स को ऑर्गेनाइज करना होता है विद इन द साइटोप्लाज्म. जैसे कि यहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ है, सेंट्रियोल आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग द माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स इन द साइटोप्लाज्म. देन जो भी पोजीशन सेंट्रियोल की होगी सेल में, वो डिटरमिन करती है पोजीशन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस को, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि जो सेंट्रियोल हैं, दे आर लोकेटेड नियर द एक्सटीरियर सरफेस ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस, राइट? दी सेंट्रियोल्स ये जो हैं हमारे पास, दे आर लोकेटेड near the exterior surface of the nucleus, right? So जो भी इनकी पोजीशन होगी सेंट्रियोल की विद इन अ सेल, इट विल डिटरमिन द पोजीशन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस, एंड इट विल प्ले अ क्रिटिकल रोल इन द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द सेल ऑर्गेनाली. इसके अलावा ना तो वो सिर्फ हमें न्यूक्लियस की पोजीशन का बता रहे होते हैं कि वो कहाँ पे लोकेट होगी, इसके अलावा बाकी भी जितने ऑर्गेनाली प्रेजेंट होते हैं विद इन अ सेल, दे ऑल्सो डिटरमिन देयर arrangement, right? So they perform this sort of function. Then जब दो centrioles, two centrioles together, they form a centrosome. As you can see in this picture, there are two centriole, this one, and all together they are called as, like, see, there are two centriole placed right on the exterior end of the nucleus, and the two together are called as centrosome. So you might be thinking, then what's the difference between a centriole and a centrosome? So there are some differences between them. If you can see at the table that is showing in front of your screens, centriole is the microtubule unit which makes the centrosome. Like centriole जो होता है वो centrosome को बनाता है, बट जो centrosome है वो दो centriole से मिलकर बनता है. Centrosome can't make centriole, but centriole, two centrioles together, they made centrosome. So जो microtubules होते हैं like the centrin or the textin, they are arranged in a cylindrical structure in the centriole. However, the centrosome contain two centrioles that are arranged in orthogonal manner, right? Like if you see in this diagram, it is showing you the orthogonal manner. Then the mother centriole forms the flagella and cilia in the non-dividing cell. जो हमारे पास the principal mother centriole होता है वो flagella और cilia को बनाता है non-division stage में cell के अंदर. However, जो centrosome होता है it forms spindle apparatus during the cell division. ठीक है, ये spindle apparatus बनाता है जब cell division हो रही होती है. So these are some of the differences between the centriole and the centrosome. So now is the quiz time for you guys. So the first MCQs for today is that centriole is absent in higher plants, lower plants or animals. As we know that centriole is present in plants and animals. However, it is absent in higher or complex plant. So here this one, the first option is the correct one. The second MCQ for today is that two centrioles together form centrosome, cell membrane, or plasma membrane. We know that two centrioles together they form centrosome. So here centrosome is the correct answer, right? Cell membrane and plasma membrane aren't together form centrosome, right? So this conclude our today's lesson. If you guys got any queries, ask them below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.